Okay, guys, here we go. October 21st, Wednesday, looking at the 5-minute chart of JKS Jinx Solar. And we're looking at this being a pause candle here, then continuation to the downside. If we close up, well, at least downside to probably 200 right here. Let's put this fib on real quick. And if we close above the 0.5, let me make it a different color here. Let's see, I just go with gold. Okay, this is how we're going to do this. 1,000 share on margin, short position to the downside. In other words, you sell up here by hopefully lower. And if we close under, we still had 2 minutes ago, so I'm going to put you on pause here. Not have you watch, paint dry. But anyway, if you close over that 50% zone of this bearish engulfing candle, then we'll wait. And if we close, where we are now or lower, we'll look for a reversal just because of the time count here and this being, possibly not getting follow through. In other words, another green candle, possibly a bullish engulfing candle to the upside. If we don't get that and it's just a pause candle, then we'll roll over to the downside and we'll probably get another bearish engulfing candle like one of these two to the downside here. So we still have a couple minutes ago, so let me put you on pause and we'll see how this, it's all dependent on how this closes out, and if it gaps up, gaps down, will depend on if we if the odds are that we get follow through to the upside on a just like a 180 reversal V-shaped recovery here. Okay, I'm going to put you on pause and come back. Okay, this candle's about to close. We're just over the 50% zone. We did gap up right here. So let's see if we get follow through, and here we go. Let's see if we run up to the 20 and roll. If we have momentum here, let's see if it's going to reverse, or if we just, roll over from there. If so, we'll take this short position a little early. Let's go to the 2 minute. Each candle's 2 minutes of price action here. Looks like we're moving up. Okay, looks like we're reversing a little bit. Got a topping tail there. If we roll through and take out the next, we'll go to the 50% level of, let me get this out of the way so it's not a distraction. If we roll through the 50% level of our previous green candle, then we'll take that 1,000 share on margin short position here as we go through here. And we still have 3 more minutes to go, so let me put you on pause. Well, let's see if it goes. Let's see if we can bump that. It's about spot on for the 50% level. If we can get under there. Okay, 3 minutes. Let me put you on pause. We'll come back if we have any, push to the upside or downside. Okay, we're getting close. Here we are. We just bumped it. The price and our positions at 80.68. Then we just bounced up a little bit. Pull that in so you can see it. A little over 2 minutes. Okay, we're in. We didn't get in where we wanted, but bring that down to where we got in. So we got 2 minutes to go. Let's see how this works out. Let me put you on pause and then we'll come back when we finish it. Okay, we're back. Got about 40 seconds left. Didn't really push real to downside as we thought, but we're continuing that direction. So we'll see if we can get a push to this 200. The 20 is still above the 200, so it is technically bullish, but we are under the 20, which makes it a little bit more bearish, you know. So let's see, this may have been our pause candle, this green bullish candle, and then this one should get follow through to the downside. We had about less than 10 seconds to go, and see if we get, it's going to be interesting on the next candle, make or break us. If we get follow through the downside, great. It gapped up, that's not good. Normally I would have just gotten out right there when it gapped up, but let's, just for grins and giggles, let's see how this works out. If we run to the upside, we'll just, put our stop loss exactly where we got in. The reason being is this JKS is a violent mover. It doesn't play. Like, in fact, from right here, it doesn't look like a lot. From here to here, that's $1,000. If you have $1,000, position, because it's, a dollar. Each dollar is $1,000. So from this morning, that's several thousand, about $6,000-7,000. It's already moved. If you were holding 1,000+ share position, okay, we're getting a little red there, which is helping. But normally on a stock like this, if it gaps up like that, I would have been out. Would have made a little money there, but I was hoping it would, either gap down or just start trading right where it ended and then go to the downside. But we're gonna keep this thing, hopefully ride down to that 200 is the goal target. So let me put you on pause. This thing's already going 7 minutes long, this video, and I like them a lot shorter. Alright guys, we have about 2 minutes left over here, 2 minutes 10 seconds, and we'll probably get out on this candle. It's holding, I said that it dumped a little bit. It's holding up there pretty good. I tell you what, if it runs back up, well, I tell you what, I'm just going to keep holding it here. If it's going to go low, we're going to stay with it. I'm looking to the left to see if there's any. We go to the hourly chart and see if there's anything over here helping. Well, even the hourly's, yeah, you have 77.20 the 20. So, you know what, 79. I'm going to go ahead and take that. Just get out right here at 79. Let me make that blue. I like blue better. Okay, we just went in and bought back. What we did, we went short. So you sell here, 1,000 shares on margin. Then we bought back here. And it wasn't, honestly, it wasn't anything technical. It just didn't feel right. After this big bearish engulfing candle that took out the previous candle, we didn't get another, in my opinion, violent push to the downside to hit this 200. Now, of course, since I got out, the next candle will probably come down here to, $50 or something. But anyway, it just kept trading in a real tight trading range just under this low here. So it was just a gut feeling, nothing technical. I was really hoping for a push to the downside here, and as you can see, it's reversed everything that we got in here. So we're still in a profit if we had waited, but just obviously a whole lot smaller profit. So sometimes it just helps to have that, I guess, experience, or just gut feeling that it's not going to the downside each time. It did push, as you remember, it came back up. There wasn't continuation, and then here we go, another green candle, a bottoming tail there. So we should be at least trying to push back up again. Well, I guess that was a head fake. But anyway, I feel comfortable, getting out where we did. As I was saying, this thing moves real quick, real hard. Like right now, from where it opened, let's see, it opened at 80.30, and it's almost a well, over a big move. It doesn't look like it. That's a big move. We're already down about, well, a 1,000 share move, already $1,000 right there. So I didn't want to get caught on the wrong side. But as you can see, it's continued to the downside. I don't feel bad about getting out here because of that bottoming tail. Odds are you're going to reverse and push to the upside. Looks like we put in a little double bottom here. So not saying that's going to hold us, but near term, this little low pivot here, this little double bottom on the 5-minute chart, and then that whole round even number at $79, maybe a near term support. But here's the daily. More importantly, this daily is taking out the previous days. So if we close under yesterday's candle, this is going to be an epic short here. We've already mentioned this to our members, so we'll be looking to exploit JKS to the downside. All right, guys, thank you so much for being members, and we will see you on the charts.